All right, now we're going to learn how to subtract positive integers using counters. So this one is a negative number, which is fine. So this first number, it doesn't matter if it's negative or positive. What we're going to be is subtracting positive integers. Now you're going to see other problems in this practice where there's a subtraction and a negative. I want you to skip those. Don't do those, okay? So if there's a negative number here, then do not do that problem. Okay, so this is a positive number, therefore we're going to do this problem. And I'll explain also what that means as we go forward. So let's take a look. I start with -2 counters. So I start with -2 counters. And this subtraction means to take away counters. Okay, it means to take away 3 positive counters. But the problem is, I don't have any positive counters. All I have are 2 negative counters. So how could I take away 3 positive counters when I only have 2 negative counters? Now this is where it gets a little tricky. What I can do is I can actually add 3 zero pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 2, 3. So as you can see, these right here are 0 pairs. So this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and this is equal to 0. This entire thing is equal to 0. And that means that this is -2. So this entire thing, even though it looks a little bit more confusing, is still, this entire thing is actually equal to 2. Why? Because there's 2 negative counters. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 is a 0. 0 plus 2 negative counters is 2 negative counters, which is -2. So this entire thing is actually just -2. Okay, now that this is just -2, we can actually take away 3 positive counters. So I'm going to take away this positive negative counter. So I'm going to take this one away. I'm going to take that one away. And I'm going to take that away. Oops, so sorry. Not the negative counters. I gotta take away the 3 positive counters. So I'm gonna take this one away, and this one away. So I took away 3 positive counters. Now how many counters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 negative counters. So this is how you do these problems. All right, let's try another one. So this one is going to be -5. All right. So these are the ones that I'm talking about. So when there are subtracting a negative, don't do that yet. What we're focusing on right now is subtracting a positive. So if you see this one, just skip it. Just skip it. So there's another one. Let's skip this one. All right, let's try this one. So I have 4 negative counters. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this means subtracting means take away. I need to take away 7 positive counters, but I don't have 7 positive counters here. So what can I do? I can add 7 0 pairs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, this entire thing is just equal to 0. So if this entire thing is equal to 0, and this is equal to -4, this means that I have 4 negative counters right here, right? I have 4 negative counters, and I have 0. -4 plus 0 is just -4. So this entire thing is still equal to -4. Now from here, I can actually take away 7 positive counters because this number is 7. If there was a negative sign here, then that would be -7, but we're not doing that. We're taking away 7 positive counters. Okay, if I take away 7 positive counters, so let's take it away. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what does that give me? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that means I have -11 counters, right? So let's go ahead. So I have -11 counters, and my answer is -11. All right. Remember, skip these. If there's a subtracting a negative, skip these for now. Okay, skip these ones as well. All right, let's try this one. So I start with 2 negative counters. I have to start with 2 negative counters. This means take away 5 positive counters. I need to take away 5 positive counters, but I don't have 5 positive counters. So what do? I add 5 0 pairs. So this entire thing is still equal to -2. Why? Because this entire thing is equal to 0. 0 plus -2 is just -2, right? And so I need to take away 5 negative counters. Well, let's take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, whoops, not negative counters. I have to take away 5 positive counters because this is positive. So I have to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 7 negative counters, which means it is -7. All right. And that is it for this one.